Greetings everyone, I've returned to Universal Studios Hollywood and I'm excited to be here. And also, the globe is back out of its construction. It's spinning, there's fog, there's water. It's excellent. Okay, let's just get right to it, shall we? Look at it. Look at it spin. Ah, it's beautiful. I really like this. I really do. It's nice to see like the misters or the fog is going on, the water. It's just like, you don't know how much you miss that little piece of like, I don't know, kinetic energy that you don't get when this is stopped. It's so nice. Okay, you can't start a day at Universal Studios without walking on the red carpet, baby. So plush. Makes me feel so fancy. Every single time. Ugh. Now, just by walking in, I can already tell you this is gonna be a quieter day than I've seen recently. But man, that makes me so excited. Because like this right here is usually just full of people. Just plumb full of people. And I like having a little bit of elbow room, if you know what I mean. I always like to start these videos checking out the board, baby. Looks like Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey is temporarily closed. 70 minutes for Simpsons. That's not completely surprising, to be honest, even on a quiet day, just because that ride's a slow loader. 20 minutes for Kung Fu Panda. You know, good for Kung Fu Panda. Let's see the lower lot here. 25 for Jurassic World, 45 for Revenge of the Mummy. Okay, so maybe not as quiet as I thought here today, but I'm just waiting for that express to kick in. You know what I'm saying, baby? It's just such a gorgeous day here. Many, many days are, but I like to appreciate it. Also though, I do like a cloudy day. I've been told that's the German heritage in me. So we've had a few cloudy days here in California recently, and I kind of like those days, you know? Those are actually great theme park days. If you think a cloudy day is a bad day to go to a theme park, don't. Go for it. Just when it turns to rainy, that's when the real problems start to arise.
Coming all the way through the line, I appreciate you.
Yeah, right, what can I say? Hi, Donkey, how are you?
I'm doing wonderful, my friend. How you doing?
I'm doing just fine. It's a beautiful day here, isn't it?
Man, it is a beautiful day. It's not too hot, you know, but it's hot enough, you know?
Right, exactly. Yeah, I agree. So, okay, quick question for you. What do you think of Kung Fu Panda Adventure?
Oh, I love it, man. I'm down for it. I feel like all of us DreamWorks people get a turn, you know? We all get our moments in the sun, literally.
I love it. Well, let's get can we do a quick selfie? And then get out of here.
I would love that. What's your name, my friend?
I'm Jimmy. Nice to meet you.
Jimmy, nice to meet you, brother. Let's get you a picture of my man, Jimmy.
Thank you so much. There he is, the guy. Perfect, got it. Thank you, Donkey. Appreciate it.
Jimmy, you the man. Appreciate you, brother.
Thank you. Take care.
Take care, my man.
There's not many days when you can walk up and just meet Donkey right away, so you got to get in line for those opportunities. You gotta take it when it arises. But now I'm walking into Hogsmeade to see if Forbidden Journey is still down, because I am just genuinely curious to see what happens to Flight of the Hippogriff. Like, we saw the times back there, but I'm just like, I wonder if that jumps up, or maybe it won't be that long. I don't know. I kind of like Flight of the Hippogriff, really, truly. Every single time, got to get that glamorous shot of Hogwarts Castle. Oh my goodness. Do I say the same thing every time I shoot this? Is it getting boring to you guys? Just like, look at that thing. It's just so good. Oh, man. You know, one thing I'll say about theme parks is it really does endear you even further to any franchise. Kind of like I feel with Jurassic World, but like, I've always been a Harry Potter fan. But coming and getting to experience this, man, makes me just love it even more. Here we go again, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my goodness. Oh dear. Hold on. Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Oh, so good, so good. Flight of the Hippogriff, I really enjoy that ride. It goes by quick, but is really enjoyable, it really is. Now I'm gonna take a quick break, do some live streaming, and then I'll be back with you in just mere moments. Here we go. And just like that, I'm back, and I just got off Revenge of the Mummy, which again, as always, I can't really show you that, but I thought we'd do something we haven't done in a little while. That's right. I know I'm not gonna ride Jurassic World yet, but we will. I'm gonna probably pop in. Jurassic Cafe is right behind there, right behind the Jurassic World sign for the ride. Hey, pop in there a little bit before the crazy dinner rush and get a little grub. And now I'm sitting above the Jurassic Cafe. I normally sit over there, but they have it roped off for Grad Bash. That's okay, don't worry about it. Still have a pretty cool view, and you can see the torches and stuff here. But I ended up getting an Isla burger with fries and a Coke. I've gotten this before. This all came to a little over $18 after my Platinum Pass discount. Yes, a little bit of salt, a little ketchup, you know. Oh yeah, I'm looking forward to this. I haven't had one of these in a while. We gotta show that first bite, baby. Okay, here we go. Sit over here. Here it is. As I always say about this one, solid, totally fine, regular burger with lettuce, cheese, tomato, maybe onion. It's got a lot on here, and like a special sauce, like an Isla sauce. And then of course, you get the cool orange fries, whatever. Honestly though, my favorite part about all this, giant Coke. Man, different fountains produce different Cokes. That's why I'm not a huge fan of the freestyle machines. Those ones allow you to like kind of make any Coke you could ever think of. But the regulars, or like a regular Coke or a Diet Coke or a Cherry Coke, don't have that same, I don't know, bite to it. Am I crazy here? Let me know if you know what I'm talking about as far as soda pop's concerned. But yeah, I love the Coke, and it's just a beautiful place to hang out. I love it. Remember, it's just right upstairs from Jurassic Cafe, so just kind of head out. They'll say like seating upstairs. Lots of it up here. Usually really quiet too. I really do think if you want to sit outside, then Jurassic Cafe or this kind of seating area is the best in the entire park that I've seen so far. The second best, I might fight for first. It's up by the 3 broomsticks. You can actually sit outside for that too. So I haven't really done that though. Maybe I'll try it at some point. But we are over by Jurassic World to ride, so you know, we gotta do it. I mean, come on, we gotta do it. Warning, to avoid serious injury, keep hands and feet inside vehicle, remain seated and in an upright position. Face forward, hold on to lap bar. Supervise children, please remove all hats for the safety of those around you, because you don't want that happening to you. Little construction update for you on Super Nintendo World. It's coming along real nicely. We'll get a different shot later on. One thing I've started to notice is that actually when you go by here, you see how when we move with it, the perspective changes as if we were actually going past a full aquarium. It's really neat, actually. Very good effect. Dang. He just wants to come get a hug. Nice big old hug. Ooh, the water stopped right before we got to it. Oh. The mama stegosaurus. Getting a little water on her today. It's good. It's good. Her skin looked kind of flaky, kind of dry.
Home to some of Jurassic World's most powerful creatures.
Alright, let's see if anyone gets scared. It's always somebody who jumps. Alright, we might get hit by this, so brace yourselves, everybody. See, you might stop before that, though. Oh, yeah. Oh, he's like, I'm going back in. Yay!
Hold all boats in safe
I am in the second to the final row, and I'm on the side, as you can see. So it might get pretty bad up here on the drop. And I don't mean the big drop, I mean the smaller drop, which seems to get you more wet than anything else. Yeah. It looks like our buddy Indominus Rex has come out. Wants a nice big old hug. Okay, so here's what happened. Indominus broke out here. Started scratching around over here, I guess. Made it through the gates up here.
We have assets out of something. Help is on the way.
It kind of went up, but then came back down. I don't really understand Indominus' pathing here. But maybe other dinosaurs have been involved, you know. The raptors and the Dilophosaurus and stuff. Yeah, so she broke through here, and now she's right over here. There she is. Hi, baby. I love you very much. Look at that. Here we go. Oh my gosh, we should go see Sparky. Here comes this grand entrance. Sparky! Alright, yourselves. My audio reaction will tell you what happened. I'm moving it inside. Oh man, oh man, oh baby, oh got it, oh man, that hurt, oh baby. Yep, my side. Side got a little bit annihilated. That's okay, we're good. It's alright, nothing that can't dry. And ominous, hi baby. Just wants a smooch. Okay. Well, that dialogue's looking up today. Look at that. Dialogue at him. Look at that. Hey, Blue, how you doing? Oh. Never gets old. Universal, if you're watching, I want to get evacs off this ride. I want to walk around and see right here. Look at that Dominus. So good. Oh, it's amazing. It's so good. Oh yeah, we're gonna go down. Yep. Gotta be wrecked. Gotta be wrecked. I tried to protect the camera. Damage report. My right side. Yeah, right here. Not too bad. You know what I mean? Not, all things considered, not too bad. That's why I say, if you get in the back rows, the back like 2 rows in the center, you'd be totally fine. You'd be just fine. But hey, totally worth it just to go on that ride. I'd go on it again and again. It was great when we get off. One of the team members was like, you guys want to go again? I was like, yeah. He's like, you're gonna have to get in line. I love it. I love the jokes. I love the jokes. As I said before, here is that extra shot update there on Super Nintendo World. As you can see, a lot of the scaffolding has come down, which doesn't necessarily mean they're like super close to being done or anything like that. That just means that the exteriors are starting to get finished up, and it looks great. It's very nice. Just adds a lot more color and just, I don't know, vibrance to the whole area down here with the lower lot. And I hope that's coming through for you guys. I am just so excited. I cannot wait for that to open up and just really make the lower lot even better than it already is. Oh, I can't wait. Here's something I don't show too much of as I'm exiting the park. Kind of coming down the main street, as it were, the other way, near the end of the day. Yes. Yeah, it's pretty relaxed here today, which I appreciate. I really do. But again, I typically avoid coming on the weekends and holidays when it's going to be the busiest. So keep that all in mind. If you guys really want me to come during some of the holidays just to see what it's actually like, let me know. It's just probably not something I would do unless other people wanted to see it, because it would be pretty intense, I'd imagine. Yeah. I don't know. I try to avoid it just because I've been to places, I've been to other theme parks, especially in Florida for the holidays, and it's great, don't get me wrong. And I do enjoy it, but if you're there on the actual holiday itself, oh boy, you're asking for lines. You're asking for all the lines, I'll tell you that much. Yep, wall-to-wall people. But this is pretty relaxed out here, as you can see. Like I said at the beginning of the vlog, lots of space today, lots of elbow room, which I personally adore. Well, everyone, thank you so much for watching. That will be it for me today. I hope you had fun here at Universal Studios Hollywood. And like I showed you before, I cannot wait. It is gonna be so good. I'm gonna start buying a bunch of like Bowser merchandise. I love Bowser, I really do. I just do, I really do. Who's your favorite Mario character? That's my question for you today, so leave it down in the comments. I'd love to hear. Also, thank you so much for everybody who has been commenting and liking, sharing. That really helps the channel. If you want to do any of that stuff, it's completely free. That's a great way to support me, but also a huge thank you to the patrons who do it financially. If you want to consider that too, check it out, but no pressure to do any of that. I just appreciate you being here today. Taking a little bit of time. Thank you so much. And until next time, just remember to adapt and overcome. Bye-bye. All right, this is a bonus bit for anybody who stayed a little bit extra. Your patience has been rewarded. I don't know if I've done this before, but here's my unofficial ranking for Jurassic Park films. Jurassic Park 1, very top, then followed by Jurassic Park 3, I know, what a shocker, Jurassic Park Lost World, Jurassic World, and then finally Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom. We'll see where Dominion stacks up soon. Podcast coming your way soon, everybody. Oh my gosh, can't wait.